Hari Om, Om Namo Namaha. Today we will practice a very powerful, small, yet very powerful, like a nuclear bomb meditation. I named it as Gong meditation. Small introduction to the Qigong technique. Qigong is a healing technique mixed with therapies and meditation, also called as Chinese alternate medicine and practiced in Japan also widely. Qigong is a technique where you don't need to even touch the patient, you don't need to even go close. You can heal somebody with the prana shakti of his own from a distance. Now we will begin with the small meditation that will help you to move your prana shakti inside your body, connect you to the universe, take energy from the universe and make you a blissful, healthy and a happy person. Let's start without wasting any time. Let's start. Sit comfortably to your mats. Keep your back straight, head forward, eyes closed. Center your eyebrows and your eyeballs to the middle of your brows. Take your eyebrows up like this and bring them to the center. Focus on your Agya chakra. You can close your eyes if you want. Put your tongue to the upper palate like this. Deeply and breathe out slowly. You have to breathe in deeply, as deep as possible, and breathe out very slowly, step by step, as if you're climbing up a ladder, step by step. Now, when you have a control on your breath, let's start with the process of powerful Qigong meditation. Take your hand to the Mooladhara chakra, both hands. So we energize the chakra. We do the beat mantras of the chakra and request the chakra to open up for us. So the prana shakti of every chakra can synchronize and move. So the beat mantra for the Mooladhara is Lam. 3 times. Lam. One more time. Lam. To the next chakra, which is Swadhisthana. Vam. 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 To Manipura. Ram. 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 To Anahata. Yam. 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 To Vishuddha. Hum. 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 To Agya chakra. Om. Sahasrara. Just give the energy an insight. Request the universe to make a connection with your chakras. Tell the universe to send the divine light to your body so it can get connected to all your chakras. Now, when all the chakras are opening up and you can feel the divine light from your Sahasrara go inside your head and meet all your chakras one by one. Now what we have to do is to go down to the Muladhara chakra and slowly bring up the prana shakti, the energy, the chi, very slowly, chakra by chakra. You have to slowly bring the energy upwards. Each chakra, you have to bring the energy till you reach the Sahasrara chakra and bring it down very slowly. Let the energy of the universe and your chakras mix up and move inside your body. Now, slowly, gradually, when you're going up and down, create a small ball inside your hand, as if you have the entire earth in your hands. That ball of prana shakti, the ball of energy, is moving upwards and downwards, upwards and downwards. You can easily feel the vibrations in all your chakras happening. A feeling of coldness, a feeling of bliss, because prana shakti is moving inside your body, making you a powerful, blissful, happy person. And the universe energy is also connected to you from the top. Both energies are working inside your body. Keep making the ball and move in front of all your chakra. You will find energy in your hands also. You will feel vibration in front of all your chakras. So let them open up. If there are chakras which are blocked for a long time, let them open up slowly, gradually. They are opening up, chakra by chakra opening up. Prana Shakti, let the Prana Shakti move, let it not get stuck in any of your chakras. Just let it move up and down. Very slowly from Mooladhara to Swadhisthana, to Manipura, to Anahata, to Vishuddha, to Agya, to Sahasrara. Let the energy move. Let the lotus blossom on your Sahasrara chakra. You can feel some heaviness on the top of your head. I can see that because I am feeling the same. The heaviness because the energy is making its way to the body. So you feel the heaviness on your Sahasrara. The body is vibrating, it's healing you, it's taking away all your problems of the body, it's curing you. Also, it is taking all depression, anxiety, fear, sickness from your body away, because the universe energy is collecting all the bad energies accumulated in your body. Now, gradually, when every chakra has opened up, and now you don't need to even move your hand, bring your hand back to your knees, and you can see the energy automatically moving up and down. It's automatically happening, moving up and down. Now request the energy of universe. Put your hands like this. Request the energy of universe to collect all the bad negative energy from your body and send it back to the universe. Destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy all my negative energy. Destroy all my bondages, baggages. Destroy all my past life bad karmas and energies. Destroy all my fear, anxiety, grudges, guilt, everything to the universe. Make me a wonderful, fresh, beautiful, brand new soul, a brand new person with a brand new, rejuvenated body. Such a beautiful feeling, you would love it. It's such a beautiful feeling. It's better than anything in the world. Better than anything in the world. Trust me. You would not have such wonderful experience because we've done 3 mantras of all chakras are rotating, shining like diamond. All the dust has been removed from all chakras. They are so beautiful, they are so wonderful. Amazing state of affairs, mesmerizing, subconscious is active. We are flying in the air. At least I am flying in the air while teaching you all this. I am feeling so much in bliss, so much in connection with the God. I can't tell you, I'm feeling so enlightened at the moment. And if you see anything during the course of this exercise, it's alright. That's perfectly fine because your subconscious mind is working. So whatever is disturbed in the subconscious, it's showing you those images, those colors, those pictures. It's beautiful. Now, when the energy has gone back, but my prana shakti is still with me, it's upwards, it's moving. What we have to do is, we have to do the ucharan, the recitation of Om 3 times. Om. You can feel the vibration from Muladhara to Sahasrara while doing Om chanting. Om is such a powerful universal mantra that will vibrate your entire body like a moldavite stone. Now you just keep your fist like this, keep your eyes closed, keep your fist like this. You can open your eyes to see and do it like this on your face. It will open all your cells, all your nerves, the blood circulation, everything. Press it like this. And then do it on top of your eyebrows, like this. Very slowly, gradually do that. It will make your eyesight and your face glow. Open the blood circulation, reduce the wrinkles, the aging. It's beautiful. Just do that. Trust me. Do that. It will do miraculous effects on your face. Now, next, what you have to do is tap the Sahasrara chakra 9 times. Tap the back of your head the pituitary gland, model of Magacha is there. Tap like this. Put your hand like this. Tap. Straight. Tap. Tap. Second. Put your arm up. Other. Chest, the stomach, back, kidney areas, and then the other knees, the both sides. Rub your hands fully. And hold your palms like this. Press, 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 and press. One more time. Press, 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 and press all the meridian and the points of acupressure in your hand. Press every part of your finger. Press. Cross your fingers like that. Hold your hand like this. Gentle massage to your eyes. Very gentle massage to your eyes. It will do a job of facelift, like a Botox. Now, some of your exercise at the end. Pull your ears like this. Pull your ears like this. This will do miracle to your body. Like this. Like this. And now keep your fingers like this and press your vagus nerve. It has a lot of benefits. Clockwise. Press clockwise. And rub your ears like this. Rub, 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 rub. Now we reach to an end of this beautiful, powerful meditation. Thank you, God. Thank you, Gurus. Thank the universe for giving you such beautiful, vibrant, rainbow-like energy. Now you can lie down on your mat and take your focus to every part of your body from toe to head and feel the energy. From toe to head, feel the energy and tell the heart to relax, relax, relax. My feet are relaxed, my calves are relaxed, my knees are relaxed, my thighs are relaxed, my buttocks are relaxed, my back is relaxed, my genitals are relaxed, my chest is relaxed, my shoulders are relaxed, my neck is relaxed, my facial muscles are relaxed, my nose, my ears, my head, my brain, all my organs inside my body, all nerves, all cells, all tissues, skin, each and everything in my body is relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. If you want to lie down and feel the benefits that this meditation has given to you in your body, you can lie down. Else, turn towards your right after a minute and very slowly and gradually get up and sit down. You can open your eyes and feel good about the experience. Hari Om.